Welcome to another day of interesting in the bus builds. Today, I'm going to take a trip to the hardware store to get more bolts. Special bolts that are only in the hardware store. Just went to Home Depot last night and cannot find this bolt. We're going to take one specific trip into town to find two bolts. I want to use these to secure down the cabinets. There's nothing holding it down, and I really don't want to nail anything into the flooring. I don't know, I'm someone that like I don't want to do anything that's like permanent or something that's going to turn into another project. So yeah, this little thing here, which Home Depot doesn't have. Of course, have you been to Home Depot? The screws area where they have the little loose screws in the boxes. People, put back the screws where you got them from. Come on, put them back where they were. Like, them screws are like just a mess over there. You know what's more interesting is my local hardware store has the screw, yet I gotta drive an hour, since I'm in the countryside, to go to a Home Depot that does not have this. Of course, I did not check Lowe's. I should check Lowe's. But it is a nice day though, that is for sure. The sun is back out. It's nice and cool again. I wish Mother Nature would make up her mind. Is it cold or hot? What is it? A few days ago where it was like the mid 70s. Come on, in December? In South Carolina? Also, I want to use one of these bolts to secure down the bed as well. I'm trying to make sure everything for the most part in the bus is secured down when the bus is moving, because the back of that bus has some vibration when it does move. I don't want things like vibrate out of place as I'm driving. One bolt, two bolts. I need 2 bolts. Should I get extra? And then these bolts are like $3 each too. A piece of steel forged into a bolt or screw bolt. Sometimes I feel like I'm in the wrong business. Today's objective is more like little things for getting the floor ready to be installed. Get these cabinets secured down, move them around to where they need to be. I can go ahead and install this these flooring planks that I have. Damn. People driving fast as hell down this road. Somebody late for work. All right, cue the music.
We were crazy in love, careless and young, but I wouldn't change it. You had me right from the start, you gave me your all, but something changed, yeah. And I sometimes drive you crazy. Yeah, I know, I sometimes drive you crazy. And I think that's why you've been building up this wall now, and I don't really know how I'm supposed to break it down. I tried peeking through the cracks, saw the light but couldn't catch it. Now the one is breaking down.
$6 for 2 bolts. $6.89 with taxes. That's crazy, right? $6.89.
Should let me love you. You're making it so hard to. You've been building up this wall now and I
I'm losing daylight here. Daylight savings time is like kryptonite, like people that like to sleep in. My roof. Yeah, my roof needs some work. I don't know what that is. For the most part, it does not look like it's leaking. Doesn't seem like it's leaking on the inside. I don't see any water spots, but it's really rough. Like, I'm not even sure what that is. It's a fiberglass roof, but I'm hoping soap and water or car wash detergent and water will get that off. So my problem right now I'm trying to figure out is I need to get that cabinet over to this area. And this nightstand I'm going to put next to the bed area because, I mean, who doesn't want a nightstand next to the bed, right? The issue is that is the gas fill cap area and I can't move that. Also, the heater, one of the heaters for the bus is right here. This cabinet measures too long to be between that gas cap and the heater. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cut into the cabinet to accommodate that heater area there, and then just slide this entire thing over so I can get this to fit over here, so this nightstand can fit over here, if that makes sense. I think I may have just lost myself. So yeah, basically the gas fill cap area is in the way for me to put my nightstand in there, so I have to move this entire cabinet over to fill the nightstand over here. But we have the passenger seat area heater right there, and that can't move. So there's going to be some shifting going on basically. Also, when I went to Home Depot, I got some cabinet handles. They look pretty nice. Little brushed metal look. Also got these little arms. They're supposed to be like reinforced arms. Medium duty shelf brackets. Load limit 160 pounds. So I was going to put that over here. Well, when I'm sitting at this table and I'm putting my arms on it, I can feel the table tilting a little. And I don't really like all that tension on these little legs here. It's got support, but it's not, you know, like that. So the plan is I'm going to put it in here like this. So it's going to basically just support this whole area here from, you know, bending over. The top of this nightstand is about 22.5. Let's just say 22.5 to be sure. And the opening here is about 19 inches. So somehow we have to make about 3.5 more inches of space here. That means I need to cut about 3 inches into this cabinet to slide this over to sit over this heater. All right, that should work. Y'all don't mind my cabinets, they are used. My mother was getting rid of these cabinets from a house she bought, and I was like, hey, I can use them. That'd be awesome. Let's see. I'm already starting to sweat. This is why I like to work on cold days. Nature's air condition, it works for me. This smells like it's smoking a little bit. You know what? I think a grinder would cut this faster too. Should we get the grinder? I don't know. Let me see. Oh, damn. I'm starting to burn shit. Okay, hang on. You know, I'm going to use the grinder. Let's try the grinder. Ooh. It's catching fire. What in the world? It didn't even cut through it. Oh my goodness, you know what? I just realized I have a jigsaw. Wow. Friggin', comes with one blade. Wow, really? Should be pretty explanatory. Self-explanatory. Self-explanatory. Oh, okay. Let's see. Shouldn't it move faster than that? I feel like it should move faster than that. Huh. Why is it moving that slow? Oh. Ah! There's a dial. Whoa, shit! Alright. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. Hey, Toby. Hi. exactly level, but that'll work. Slap it like you mean it. Oh yeah. That'll work out.